When people talk about reggae legends, the spotlight often shines on the male artists. But Jamaica's female reggae singers have also played a huge role in building reggae music into a worldwide movement. These women brought soul, passion, culture, and timeless voices that helped shape Jamaican music history forever. Today, on Reggae Time Capsule, we're counting down the top 5 Jamaican female reggae singers of all time. Let's get started. Number 5. Phyllis Dillon. Phyllis Dillon was one of Jamaica's greatest female voices during the rocksteady era. Born in Linstead, St. Catherine, she became famous in the late 1960s with smooth, romantic hits that captured the hearts of reggae fans everywhere. Songs like Perfidia, Don't Stay Away, and One Life to Live became timeless classics in Jamaican music. Her soft and emotional singing style helped define the sound of rocksteady and early reggae music. Even decades later, Phyllis Dillon remains one of the most respected female singers in Jamaican music history. Number 4. Cynthia Schloss. Cynthia Schloss became one of Jamaica's most beloved reggae and lovers rock singers. Known for her rich vocals and emotional delivery, she gained popularity with songs that blended reggae rhythms with heartfelt storytelling. Tracks like Am I Losing You and Sad Movies helped make her a household name across the Caribbean. Her music appealed to both reggae lovers and mainstream audiences, making her one of the most recognizable female voices in Jamaican music during the 1970s and 1980s. Cynthia Schloss left behind a legacy of timeless reggae classics that continue to live on today. Number 3. Judy Mowatt. Judy Mowatt is one of reggae's true pioneers. As a member of the legendary I-Threes, alongside Rita Marley and Marcia Griffiths, she helped create the harmony and spiritual sound behind many classic Bob Marley songs. In 1985, Judy became the first female reggae artist nominated for a Grammy Award for her album Black Woman. Her music focused on spirituality, empowerment, and African pride. Songs like Black Woman remain powerful reggae anthems to this day. Judy Mowatt's influence on reggae music can still be heard across generations. Number 2. Rita Marley. Rita Marley is one of the most influential women in reggae history. Before becoming internationally famous alongside Bob Marley, she started her career as a member of the Soulettes. Later, she became part of the legendary I-Threes, whose harmonies helped shape the sound of Bob Marley and the Wailers. After Bob Marley's passing, Rita continued her own successful music career while protecting and preserving the Marley legacy worldwide. Songs like One Draw and Harambe showcased her strength, spirituality, and dedication to reggae culture. Her impact on reggae music and Jamaican culture is truly legendary. Number 1. Marcia Griffiths. Taking the number 1 spot is the queen of reggae herself, Marcia Griffiths. With a career spanning over 6 decades, Marcia Griffiths became one of the most successful and respected female reggae artists of all time. She first gained fame in the 1960s before becoming a member of the I-Threes alongside Rita Marley and Judy Mowatt. Her voice became part of reggae history through her work with Bob Marley and her incredible solo career. Her international hit Electric Boogie became a worldwide dance anthem and introduced reggae music to millions across the globe. Marcia Griffiths' influence on reggae is unmatched, earning her the title of the true Queen of Reggae. These incredible women helped build reggae music into the global force it is today. Their voices, talent, and timeless songs continue to inspire reggae fans all over the world. Who do you think is the greatest Jamaican female reggae singer of all time? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reggae history and classic music content right here on Reggae Time Capsule.